Hey guys, it's Rhonda here. Just wanted to come on here today because my software business is now officially launched. So I wanted to go over a few of the highlights that you're going to get. So in my software business, you are going to get 100% commissions. And these commissions are paid directly to you instantaneously. Once you join, you're going to go in your back office and you're going to be able to choose how you want people to pay you. So that can be things such as Bitcoin, Stripe, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. There's a whole bunch of options in the back office. You decide those will be on your landing page, and people will be able to pick one of those ways to pay you. And like I said, it's 100% commissions. It will go to you instantaneously. Okay, the commissions are $200 each. So people will pay $200 for the software library in my software business. That $200 will go directly to you. Now, people have been asking me, well, how does the company make money? Well, that comes when somebody decides they want to be a reseller, like I am here for my software business. So when you want to become a reseller, you pay the company $50, okay? And that will be $50 per year, just so you know ahead of time. But that is it. That's all you pay to be a reseller. And if somebody doesn't want to be a reseller, then they do not have to pay that. They only pay the one-time only $200 fee to get access to this whole library of software programs. Like I said, there are no monthly fees involved. It's the one-time payment of $200. That's it. No monthly fees. Gives you access to the whole library. The company, if you become a reseller, the company gives you your own phone number. That is your phone number to use whenever somebody is asking you for information. Okay, so for instance, my phone number is 239-558-1975. I'll tell people call or text 239-558-1975. And at that time, that's when this next thing kicks in. You have your own virtual assistant that helps you close those sales. So anybody that opts into that number, either by calling or texting, gets opted into the AI system. So this AI system takes over. It asks pertinent questions of the person, see what kind of information they're looking for. It answers their questions, and they have the option to purchase at any time. Those purchases are directly linked to you, so they're taking them back to your landing page, where then they can then sign up, and you will get the commissions. So you do get that own phone number that has that virtual assistant, which is great. It saves you a lot of time. You also get a landing page, so you do have that option. If somebody wants to just go right into the landing page, they ask you to see it. You can send them that with all the information on it. But the cool part is the AI, because once somebody opts in, if you are posting this in different places with your number, people don't even have to talk to you, right? Sometimes we all know people get shy about that. They can just opt into that number, and that VA takes over, and you don't have to worry about a thing. And they also have a little bit of anonymity, which sometimes they like. So right now, since my software business did just launch, it launched with 12 software programs that you are able to promote and earn this 100% commissions. So for that one-time $200 payment, they get access to 12 software programs. And as a reseller, you also get access to all these programs. So I am not going to go into the programs on here. If you'd like to know more, below this video, I will have my link and also my number if you want to go into the virtual assistant system and see how it works. Once again, my number is 239-558-1975, and the link will be underneath. But you do get 12 software programs. And great thing about this is these software programs will be expanding in the future. So we have started with 12, but that will be increasing, okay? And over time, that will be increasing. What's included in there? You will have access to anything that is added. You will not have to pay an additional fee, okay, for my software business. There is another tier of software, just so I'm clear about that, in the program. If you want access to these premium programs, they're calling them, there is an additional charge for that. However, my software business, the basic, is just that one-time $200 fee, gets you access to all this software. This will be expanding and you will have access to those also, okay? The great thing about this and why I decided to sell it is as an entrepreneur, you know, I'm always looking for things to save me time and money. I have different programs that I have utilized, you know, throughout the years, and almost all of those have a monthly fee. You start paying all these monthly fees. You know, this one's $37 a month. This one's $19.99 a month. This one's, you know, whatever, $50 a month. They all start adding up. And as you're growing online, you want to save time because it can be very time consuming. And the whole point of getting into an online business is to free up your time. So over the years, I have learned that these programs are necessary if you want to free up your time. And they're simple. I actually just started using some of these today. They are Chrome extensions that are super easy to download. There's instructional videos for all of them, but they are extremely simple. So saves you time while you're building up your know, like, and trust factor, right? So these softwares, you can use it obviously if you're a reseller to promote my software business. However, you can, you know, people can use these, entrepreneurs, business owners can use these programs for any business that you're in. It's to build up your personal brand, you know, build up your know, like, and trust factor, save you time and money. For a limited time, I do it. You will get access to this $6K a month blueprint that is only for our team. So only for our team. And like I said, this is going to be a limited time offer. It is being offered now. I have had access to it. I have implemented some of those strategies already, right? That's the whole point, is when you do get access to something special like this, you want to access that, right? And watch it, start using it, start utilizing it so that you can obviously start growing your income. So these are evergreen. It's evergreen content. So once again, these are online techniques and some offline techniques that you can use for any business that you will be in. So anyways, I'm super excited about the launch of my software business. So with these 12 programs and some pretty cool programs in there, let me tell you. So check the link below this video if you want to go there to my landing page. Or once again, you can call 239-558-1975. And there's also going to be a link to my Facebook page if you want to reach out to me or message me. I'm happy to speak with you also. So hope you found this useful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.